Come with me as I add iron-on vinyl to this leatherette jewelry box. I'm going to use the Cricut Joy Xtra along with iron-on foil in the colour light gold. In Design Space, I resized the sentiment to fit the box and mirror the image. I place the vinyl liner side down to the cutting mat and load it into the machine. Once cut, I preheat the Easy Press Mini to low and get to work weeding all the parts I do not need. This jewelry box is so cute and I think this image is the perfect addition. I place a piece of parchment paper over the top to protect the leather and press firmly while moving at low setting for 20 seconds. I allow it to cool for a moment and then press for another 20 seconds. When the liner is cool to touch, slowly peel it off. If you can see the leather pattern through the vinyl, you have pressed correctly. And now you just have to remember to never let anyone dull your sparkle.